Okay, so I'm not going to write this all out. You'll see it on the screen. But for problem number 3, it says solar panels are installed in the backyard and have a cross section that is a right triangle. The diagram shows the approximate dimension of the cross section. The vertical support, which is right here, from a right angle to the ground is recommended. Approximate the length of the support. So what we need to do is we need to use the properties of right triangles to find the support. Well, this is these are 3 similar or proportional triangles. So what I need to do is I have a triangle that's like this. I'm going to break it up, and this is 13.6. Okay, that's this little triangle here. Then I have another triangle like this. By the way, if this is 90 degrees, then this is 90 degrees. So I have another triangle like this, where this is 4.6. And then I have a third triangle that looks like this, where the hypotenuse is 14.4. This side length is 13.6, and this side length is 4.6. Okay, so what I'm really interested in is the height right here. Okay, that little question mark, that's what I'm interested in. This triangle doesn't really help me with anything, because while this is the hypotenuse, right, I don't have another side leg. So these are the 2 proportional triangles that I'm interested in, where the side across from the 90-degree angle is the hypotenuse. And then I just got to figure out what's what. So if I look at this image, the 4.6 is, I'm going to try to rewrite this triangle, which is kind of hard to do, but I'm going to try to rewrite this triangle so that I can figure out what the corresponding sides are. In other words, I'm going to flip, rotate, and reflect this triangle as best I can. Okay? So this is the hypotenuse, 14.4. This is clearly the longer side, which is 13.6. And this is, which doesn't look like it's longer, but it is. And then this is 4.6. Now on this one, on this image here, I didn't quite draw it to scale, but if you look on the image on your assignment, this is the longer side. Okay? In other words, I'm going to compare my question mark, and I'm just going to change this to h because it's a height. Right? So h, which is the longer side of the triangle, over 4.6, which is the hypotenuse of this triangle, is proportional to the hypotenuse of this triangle and then the longer of the 2 sides. So this would be 13.6 all over 14.4. Now that's the tough part about the problem. From here, I think everybody can get this problem. You're just going to cross multiply. So I'm going to get 13.6 times 4.6 is equal to 14.4 divided by h. So let's start plugging some numbers in and see what we get. 13.6 times 4.6 equals 62.56 is equal to 14.4 times h. I'm going to divide both sides by 14.4. So that divided by 14.4 is 4.34 approximately.